want to show how I do a reference return and then the spindle warm up. So on this machine, in order to start a spindle warm up, I need to have both chucks clamped. And so I just, you know, make sure that I have something that the collet can grab on, or I change collets if I have to. Those are both chucked, so the proximity switches are happy. And over here, I go into reference return, and I go in the order of Y positive button here, and then I hit the X positive button. Notice these lights come on as you do them. Then I do the Z positive button, that one's actually gonna move. And then I do the B positive button. You can play with the order a little bit, but not every order works. And then you have the C axes. Those don't need to be homed out. That's my understanding. It seems to work if you don't do that. So anyway, the machine's homed out, and then I go into MDI to run my spindle warm-up. So from this screen, the MDI program screen, I do a sub-program call, M98, P99, end of block, insert, and then I hit cycle start. And so my program number 99 is my spindle warm-up, and by calling it as a sub-program from MDI, that just saves me, you know, whatever was 1603. Okay, so that's what's loaded as the actual program. If I go into memory mode, it's going to run 1603. So let's say I'm running 1603, and then, you know, the next day I want to run a spindle warm-up program, and then I want to go back into program 1603. By doing the MDI sub-program call here, when I finish the spindle warm-up and then I go back to memory mode, it's still going to be pointed to 1603. Whereas if I actually called up my spindle warm-up program into memory mode, then I would have to go back into the directory and remember which program I was running from the day before. And if I selected the wrong program, I could crash my setup, right? So anyway, I like doing it this way, where I just go into MDI and I call my spindle warm-up program as a sub-program from MDI. I do that on the mill sometimes also. It's just a nice little trick. But anyway, both chucked, reference return, then I hit cycle start, and both of the chucks, if you can see them, are spinning and it's beginning to warm up. I just wrote this myself, so there's just, you know, spindles run at various RPMs with various dwells, and yeah, it takes about 20 minutes. And if you, yeah.